Take a ball and do it.
He wants to play with the toy, Papa.
Take a little ball and make it all that noise.
Oh, it even comes with the gun. Well, that's all of my books, all of my stuff.
Are you sure? Did you check over there in the room? Over there, that's what they say.
You were either a bully, a toady, or one of them nameless rat wolf victims.
This is for Papa.
Okay, give it to him.
For Papa.
Better if you charge to open himself. You finished?
This one has no name.
In the jungle,
What's inside it?
the mind switches gears rapidly.
Toothbrushes,
Weeks ago,
phone
I never
stuff.
worked in any secret society decoder.
This is mine.
Oh, gosh, yeah. No matter. Today,
Oh. Hey, another one. Now I have two green clothes. And R2 is cool.
I think that everybody should have a red
What's the other thing that's in the back?
They're very good.
Toothbrushes.
Hold that up. Yeah. Now, what do you need to do with those things? You know how those work?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yes.
poured from my pen and pencil with such feverish fluid.
Now it's you two's turn. Oh yeah, this is going to be a fun battle.
So you got enough toys, boy?